Hi, welcome to Mysore Sari Udyog Commercial Street. Today I am going to talk about Mysore silk sarees, which we have a huge collections of Mysore silk sarees, designer sarees and a very unique color combination sarees. And we have a sarees range of Mysore silk sarees from 3,700 up till 15,000, and these sarees are like 60 grams to 80 grams of zari, which are silk mark certified sarees. And we have a pure zari sarees which are from 10,000 till 27,000 onwards the range. And we have a very nice color combinations. We have a check sarees, we have a Ganga Jamuna border sarees, we have a contrast border sarees, we have a booty style sarees, and a very good designer range of sarees. And pure zari sarees, we have a testing mission where all over India nobody has a testing mission, but we do have the testing mission, which we get the zari tested and then given to the clients and shown to the client whether it is a pure zari and what. And please do look at the sarees which I'm going to show you, all the variety and little of all the varieties, and one or two sarees and all the varieties. Please look at it, watch it and enjoy it. And even follow the sarees more collection to see in www.mysoresariudyog.com. We have a collections of there also, and you can please follow us on Instagram also. Thank you. And this is a pure royal blue sari with again jacquard border and a very unusual royal blue with a yellow combination, and there is a nice rich pallu and there is a jacquard blouse with this. And this is ranging again around 4,680 rupees. A very lovely piece and a very lovely collection. And this is a pure Mysore silk which is 80 grams, and this has a rich border and a nice rich pallu with a contrast blouse in it, which is also the range of 8,560. It's a very pretty color combination with black and pink, and pallu is so rich, and these fabrics are so soft and very easy to drape it. And this is again a new color combination. This is around 7,930, and this is a 3D color. See the sari and see the fall of the sari. Such a lovely color combinations. See, this is a pallu and this is a border, and it has a contrast Mysore crepe blouse too. This is a blouse, and these are very unique color combinations with it, and these are called as a 3D sarees. A very nice sarees. This is around 7,380, and this is called 2D. These are like in the two color combinations and a nice stripe pallu, and see the border design. It's a very unique design, and it has a contrast blouse, again the pink blouse with this, which looks even nicer with the royal blue and pink color combination. See this saree. It's such an amazing saree which a self zari weave in it, and a rich border and a rich pallu and a rich blouse, which is 8,480 rupees. And this has a heavy look of the sari. It is just 80 grams of Mysore silk sari. See the pallu combination. The whole sari will be plain like this, no contrast border, but only the pallu is contrast and the blouse is contrast. And it looks so nice with the lime green and with the purple color combination. See the sari. And this is a self jacquard 80 gram crepe, and this is 7,135. It has a small self design and a rich pallu and a nice contrast border. It's a very lovely sari and very soft and very nice. See the pattern and see the color. See this one. This is also a Mysore silk sarees, again 80 grams with Ganga Jamuna border, black border with a pink and a off-white sari and a rich pallu, and this is a contrast blouse which is ranging 7,770 rupees. Very pretty sari, and see the pallu and see the sari. Again 80 grams Mysore crepe it is, and it has a very small checks, very fine checks and small booties with a rich border, and it has a nice contrast pallu with a contrast blouse in it, and it looks so rich and so nice, where you can wear it for the weddings and all that, and very lightweight to carry it also. Very good combination. This has a Mysore crepe silk with a pink and nice rich maroon border and a nice pallu with a contrasting blouse, and this is range from 6,600 rupees, and a very nice color combination, very different it looks. And this is again a Mysore silk sari with a nice small woven buttas and a nice plain contrast border and a rich contrast pallu, and it has a contrast blouse in this, and this is like 80 grams again, and this is ranging from 12,155 rupees, and these can be worn for the weddings or any small occasion, which are very light to wear it also, and it drapes very nicely. And this is an amazing sari. It's again the checks with the contrast Ganga Jamuna border sari, and it has a lovely pallu in it and a nice blouse, and at the very good pricing also. This is around 8,420, and this is an offline zari, and it is an 80 grams crepe and very nice. See the color combination, and it's with a Ganga Jamuna border, and it has a jerry checks on it. You see this sari, it's again on the Mysore silk sari, and this is ranging of 7,905 rupees with a nice contrast blouse and a contrast border. And see the border, such a lovely border it is, and see it has a nice and it drapes so nicely, and it has a self striped zari stripes in it and a rich contrast blouse and the pallu and a very nice double border, and it looks like a designer also as well as a traditional also, and these are ranging of 8,455 rupees. And see the pallu, such a lovely pallu and a lovely border and a nice good color combination, which is very different. And this is in a Mysore silk again, and it is with a skirt border. So one side you're going to get a big border, and the other side you're going to get a small border with a contrasting a rich pallu and a nice blouse, a nice contrast blouse, and this is around 8,560 rupees, and it's very flowy and nice. And again, this is an 80 gram crepe, and it is an off-fine zari, but it looks very classy and very nice. This is again a nice color. It's a plain color, 80 gram crepe, and see it is one side big border, one side it is a small border, and a nice same self blouse in it, and this is around 7,125, and it's with a single color, and this is also off-fine zari. See again this one purple with a lime green combination, a very nice traditional mango design border. This is again 80 gram crepe, and it has a nice contrast border with a rich mango design, which is completely traditional, and this is around 6,995 rupees, and it is a very good color combination, very different color combination. See, and it has a contrast blouse in it also, which looks very nice. This is again in a Mysore silk with the silver buttas, which are in now, silver booties with the traditional booties like peacocks and everything, and it has a nice double border and a nice rich pallu, very rich pallu, and it has a contrast blouse in it with the again the combination of blue. See, Mysore crepe with a nice silver butta in it and a nice heavy contrast pallu, which is very rich, and this is around 7,960, and which is in now, silver and gold zari mix. See the palla and see the sari, and these all are new concepts in Mysore silk saris, and this is again an off-fine zari. And this is the one which I was telling you, 120 grams of saris, which is around 16,000. This is 120 grams of crepe, which is very heavy and very nice to drape it, and the fall is very good and it drapes very nicely. And this is also again a off-fine zari. This is around 15,600 and it has a self blouse and a nice rich self pallu. This is also in Mysore silk with a different style. These are around 7,150 and it has a very lovely gold and silver buttas and a very lovely color combination with a silver zari in it, and it has a rich silver pallu in it, and it has a nice blouse with a silver border. And see the sari with a nice all over booties, very lightweight and very nice to carry it also for any occasion. See, and this is again Mysore silk sari, but it is Habutai silk, which is very smooth and very silky finish, and this is in 100% pure zari sari. It's around 13,590. It has a very good contrast. Here the border, and on the shoulder you will get plain with a small zari border, and this is 100% pure zari sari. And you don't get with the blouse, because with this you can wear any type of blouses like a fancy blouse, and these are 100% pure zari saris, and it is called like a Habutai silk sari, which is very smooth, very soft and very silky look, mainly the fabric, and a very nice color combination, contrasting. And these saris we just get checked in the tested machine and show it to the clients and then give these saris to them. This is again 10,155 rupees, Habutai silk, very smooth and it's very silky, and this is again 100% pure zari saris with a pure silk, and these are around 10,155. See the color combination, it's a nice rich mustardy yellow, turmeric yellow type, and with a nice royal blue combination. And again these are without blouses, so you can just wear it any contrast blouses like a brocade or like a self design or anything. And we do have a nice range of fabrics to match with these also, so we can just help you to match a nice blouses with these, either ready-made or either fabric, all that. And this is also again 26,155 the pricing, and this is a pure Habutai soft Mysore silk sari. It has a very good nice checks with a nice checks pallu, and it doesn't have a blouse, and these all are 100% pure zari saris, and it's very soft and nice color combination. Just see the color combination. This is a pure Mysore silk again with a Habutai finish, and it has a nice heavy rich pallu, a nice checks color combination, and this is again pure zari sari, 16,350, very smooth and very silk looking. This is again a Habutai silk sari. This is again a pure zari sari, which has a nice contrast pallu and one side border pure zari. This is also 16,355 rupees, and see the sari, and it has a very good finish and a fall. Thank you for watching this video and our ranges of saris and variety of saris. Please visit us and enjoy your shopping experience at Mysore Sari Udyog, Commercial Street. Thank you so much.